Dear students, in the last class, we will study about the rules of subject-verb agreement, and in this one, we will also study about the further rule of subject-verb agreement. Let us discuss about inseparables. Inseparables are given. Just as example, scissors, trousers. S is given. S is given. Spectacles, glasses, shoes. Glasses, these are inseparables. It is pronounced as seizures, but we call it seizures. S is given, and that comes in pair, and it cannot be divided into single part, and this is considered as plural. Inseparables, all inseparables are considered as plural. They are pliers, seizures. So your seizures are blunt. R should be given. This trousers are new. Here R should be given. So all inseparables are considered as plural. Here one thing you have to know, that is note. And in note, if you write a pair of shoes, a pair is given, then the verb is singular, is bought. A pair of shoes is bought. So in inseparables, when a pair is given, you have to write singular verb. If a pair is not given or only inseparables come, you have to write plural verbs, that is used. Next rule, that is regarding singular collective noun. Singular collective noun and singular verb. Singular collective noun and singular verb. A team of players has arrived. Has is given due to singular collective noun. Has. A team, a group of students is standing there. A group of students is, due to a group, this is singular collective noun, is should be here given. Here we will discuss about collective noun. In the last rule, we discuss about singular collective noun. Here only collective noun. Suppose army is given, class, parliament, jury. These are collective noun. And what you have to use? Singular verb or plural verb. In this one, in collective noun, singular verb, plural verb can both be used. Government also, both can be used. It depends. In unity, we have to use singular verb. In disunity, you have to use plural verb. Suppose I am giving an example. Army have revolted. Army have revolt हो गया, that is disunity, you have to use. Next, army has played a great role. This is unity, you have to use. This is not definite. It is understood that during unity you have to write singular verb. Again, that is related to a very important point, that is related to collective noun, that is parliament. Suppose I have given you parliament. Parliament has voted. Parliament has elected its leader. Another sentence, parliament, the should be used before parliament. The parliament have voted for their leader. there is, you see the two sentences, it's is used for parliament, there is also used for parliament. Same parliament, two types of pronoun is used. In first sentence, singular verb is used and this parliament is considered as singular. So pronoun must be singular. Here parliament that is given is a plural, so verb must be plural and the pronoun used for this one is plural. So in collective noun you have to use singular verb and plural verb. It depends upon you. But you are advised that during unity you use singular verb, during disunity plural verb. If you use singular, then whole sentence should be present in the same sense. If you are using plural, the sentence must be in plural. So you should be very careful about this one. Jury is given. Suppose jury is also a singular character. The jury were divided on their decision. Jury, that is a group of judges. If they were different on their decision, there might be a difference in their opinion, then the plural verb is used. What is given? If there is same decision taken by all group of judges, then the singular verb is used. And today's last rule is that singular subject, preposition, same verb, same subject, singular verb, that means ship after ship. This is same and this is same. Singular subject, preposition singular. Is selling. Is selling. Then you have to write singular verb. City after city. Here the verb must be same. Isn't any change in these two verbs. This must be singular and this is singular. Is destroyed. Door to door selling is a good work. So you should be in this rule, you should be very careful about singular verb is given, singular subject is given, after singular preposition is given, and next same singular subject. Then the verb must be singular. So these are the rules. You should learn these rules. You should write these rules in your fair copy and learn it. Next day we will have further topic. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.